Today we have a tabletop fire pit that we are going to be reviewing. This is by Radkeep. This is a paid sponsored video and this was sent to us by the brand. As you can see, this has a little baggie that holds the fire pit so that if you want to travel, you can use it to travel. And it has several different things inside it. As you see, this is silver. This one has never been used. We've got our fire ring right here. We've got our little pellet adapter right here. And then we have our little ashtray thing. That's where all the ashes go whenever things burn. On the bottom of this, you also see little feet that you can fold out. So that's pretty cool. All right, are y'all folding the feet out? Yep. Okay, great. So to properly put this together, the first thing that you want to do after you fold the feet out is put the little ashtray thing in. Put that in like that. We're gonna put some, some tinder in first, start the fire, and then we'll add more. But before we do that, I want to show you something kind of funny. I decided to order some little tiki wood for this, and I thought that these were much smaller packs. So it's a pretty big pack actually right here. But not only did I get one, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least I didn't get 7. 6, 7. I mistakenly got 6 of these things. So if you're gonna buy pellets, just be sure the amount that you're actually buying. These are for the larger smokeless fire pits. We only need one. Let's leave this one up here. It's not gonna fit inside there. So these are actually pellets. There we go. I think that's the way to do it. There are the breathing holes down on the bottom. Right here in the top, that's where you see the little pellet adapter down there in the bottom. Now, I didn't do a very good job the first time putting the pellets in, so they're kind of everywhere. The fire ring is right there, so we're gonna put this fire ring on. So we'll just take this fire ring and put it on top, and we're gonna try to light this thing. It smells like it's lighting. We've got this fire pit going, so the pellets are actually burning right there inside the pellet adapter, so we gotta let it get a little hotter. So we're gonna put a few more pellets in and see if this will burn some more. We actually have this fire pit really going now. It is really burning, as you can see. That is pretty cool. What do you think about that, Gemma?
I like it.
Yeah, so you could like even roast marshmallows and stuff on it. This could help keep us warm. And the whole point of this thing is that it is smokeless, so you don't really see much smoke coming out from it, do you? So you can see this fire pit is burning really well. This is the nice little tabletop fire pit right here. We don't have a lot of space. It's nice having a little place to put it on a table out here. Look how that has the flow. It has a certain type of airflow, and it is a little windy out here. It has a certain type of airflow, and that's what prevents the smoke from as much smoke. I mean, there's a little smoke coming up, but it's not a lot of smoke. So you see this thing burning, and I think that this thing will burn, like if you fill it up, like I did, I put a lot in it. You're supposed to put it just up to below the vent holes, which I did. It says it'll burn about 30 minutes. It's only been burning about 5 minutes here. Looks like it's just gonna keep burning and burning, so I just kinda have to wait now. It's keeping me nice and warm and toasty over here. A little chilly now that it's starting to get closer to the evening. I think it's pretty cool overall. So after the first time of this thing burning, it is finally burned out. I still have embers in there and some coals and stuff, and it's still really, really hot to the touch. So we gotta let it sit here for a while and let it cool off on its own. But it finally burned out, and it did take probably about 45 minutes it burned, maybe even an hour. This tabletop fire pit worked really, really well, especially with the tiki fire wood pellets.